Next we're going to go over numbers. To access a numbers menu, go to dial plan and destinations. From here it will show you a list of the numbers you have available, as well as some useful info such as the description of the number, the actions is who the number points towards, and the destination, which is the number itself. To make changes to this number, hover over it and click on the number you require the changes to be made to. Typically, you'll be changing actions, which allows you to select from a range of options. Click the drop down and you can change the number to go directly to an extension, to a recording, to a ring group, a voicemail, as well as any other set of IVR menus or queue systems. One reason you may navigate to numbers is because of a fault on site. In a situation where you have no internet or another disaster has happened, you can change your number to an extension and press save. On that extension, you can add a forward, like so, and say to go to a number that you require. Select enable and save. Now that the call forward's been saved, any calls that go in to this number will now be forwarded to the number that you provided. This is useful in case you still want to receive calls on a mobile on site whilst dealing with a fault.